Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share 10 easy line speech on Independence Day that are perfect for classes 1 to 5. So let's begin. Good morning everyone. My name is Swati. Today we are here to celebrate 80th Independence Day of our country. On 15th August 1947, India became free from British rule. On this day, we remember and thank our brave freedom fighters who dedicated their lives to our nation. We should always love and respect our country. We must follow the rules, protect our environment, and work together. Our national flag, the Tiranga, is a symbol of courage, peace, and prosperity. This day reminds us of the value of freedom and the importance of unity and equality. We should always study well and make our country proud. Let us work together for a strong and peaceful India. Happy Independence Day! Jai Hind! So friends, these lines are informative, confident and easy to learn for speech competition and school assemblies. Hey friends, if this video is useful for you, then please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.